Hello friends, welcome to my new video. Today, we will discuss some interesting kitchen tools. Before watching this video, subscribe to the channel as soon as possible and click on the bell icon to watch new videos first. Discover the best kitchen gadgets and tools on Amazon that make cooking easier, faster, and more enjoyable. Whether you're a beginner or a pro chef, these kitchen essentials are must-haves for every modern home. Upgrade your kitchen today with the most useful gadgets and tools available on Amazon. So let's see what products are on the list in this video. Rotary Food Mill. Premium stainless steel craftsmanship. Built to last, our food mill is made from heavy-duty stainless steel that resists rust, warping, and wear, even when working with hot foods like stewed tomatoes or boiled apples. It's not only a food mill, but can double as a colander or steamer for added versatility in your kitchen. Effortless turning with ergonomic handle. Say goodbye to sore arms. Our ergonomic rotary handle with a spring-loaded lever delivers smooth, low-resistance turning, making food prep quicker and easier for everything from silky mashed potatoes to homemade applesauce. Stable secure on bowls and pots. Thoughtfully designed side hooks, ears, rest securely on a wide range of bowls and pots, keeping the mill steady while you work. Each hook is double welded for added stability, so you can mill with confidence and control. Citrus Juicer. Perfect handheld juicer. Squeeze out every last drop of juice with this lemon and lime hand juicer. It produces up to 20% more juice than conventional handheld citrus juicers. Easy to store. This updated citrus juicer has a hang loop for easy storage. You can keep this squeezer any place that's convenient to you. Rests anywhere. We've added wider feet on the bottom of the citrus juicer, so it easily sits upright while holding fruit. High-quality design. Innovative dual-gear mechanism increases pressing power to reduce hand fatigue. Juice as many lemons and limes as you need with ease. Easy to clean. Fully extend handles of the juicer and place on the top rack of the dishwasher. Dish drying rack. Compact volume. Kitchen dish rack is suitable for kitchens with limited space. The bottom layer measures only 12W x 15.5 L and the overall height is 5. The rack is capable of holding 10 plates and other bowls and glasses. With a kitchen dish rack, you can perfectly save your countertop space. Premium material. Kitchen dish drying rack has a plastic drain board and premium rust-proof metal, which can effectively prevent rust and deformation. And you can clean the rack easily by rinsing it under a running tap. It would be a reassuring choice for you to set utensils. Easy install clean. Kitchen dish drainer is easy to install with the attached installation manual. In addition, with the waterproof coating, the rack is also easy to clean. All you need to do is wipe the rack with a damp cloth or rinse it under a running tap after use. Easy to use. Kitchen drying rack for kitchen consists of a cutlery holder, a dish rack, and a drain board set. Geedel food chopper. Reduce prep time. The food chopper is equipped with stainless steel blades which make faster chopping, dicing, and grinding than a knife. Use the onion chopper directly on your cutting board or included base to get your prep food with less time. Zero risk of injury. Simply slap the vegetable chopper to get quickly chopping in the garlic and onions in seconds. No more getting hurt by touching the blades. Easy cleaning. The hand food chopper is easy disassembling for speedy cleanup. Simply finish cleaning under running water in 30 seconds. Also top rack dishwasher safe. Easy to use. This vegetable chopper is made of premium materials and can be used with confidence. The garlic chopper comes with an instruction manual. You can easily master it whether you are an expert cook or a novice in the kitchen. Pump spinner. Healthy made easy. Our Pro Pump salad spinner makes it so easy to prepare nutritious foods every night of the week. Large salad spinner helps you to clean and serve salad greens and other produce, including fruits and even berries in seconds. Multiple uses. This lettuce spinner is more than just a device for quickly rinsing and drying produce. Use the basket separately as a colander, and the clear plastic bowl can be used as a large salad bowl or mixing bowl. Enough for everyone. The generous capacity of our salad spinner, 6.65 quart bowl, 5.25 quart basket, means you can put in enough food to feed your entire family. So easy. We know you're busy when it comes to making meals, so we've engineered our large salad spinner for convenient one-handed operation. Simply push down on the spinner mechanism to begin, then tap the brake button when done.